What's going on, everybody? Chump Change XD here. Today's video is going to be about Solana. So I want to show you guys how to mine it, basically, with unMineable.com. But first, let's just go over Solana real quick. Like, what is it? So I found this nice article. I'll leave a link in the description below. Basically, it's got key takeaways to Solana. It just says Solana's decentralized protocol for distributing, computing, and building dApps. Its main advantage is the ability to scale up to 65,000 transactions per second. Solana combined original proof of history protocol with the proof of stake consensus algorithm, which makes it faster and more efficient. Solana Platforms is backed by major market players like Circle and Tether. dApps built on it already have millions of active users. And then it says, what is Solana? At its core, the value proposition of Solana is not very different from Ethereum. It is a public base layer blockchain protocol which is best suited for decentralized computing and creating decentralized applications, dApps. By design, this protocol is near perfect, optimized for scalability. As a result, dApps devs do not need to design around performance bottlenecks. This is achieved by combining a proof of stake, POS, consensus algorithm with a novel proof of history, POH, timestamp system. Then it breaks down proof of history and a little bit more about it. It says the history and the team behind Solana. What is the SOL crypto? As you guys know, or if you don't know, Solana has been skyrocketing lately. It's shown up on Coinbase, it's shown up on Kraken. There's a few places you can purchase Solana now, and I want to show you guys how to mine it. So let's try to mine this with T-Rex Miner. So let's get over here. This is the wallet you're going to want to download. Trust Wallet does accept Solana. If you guys need a video about this, please let me know. But follow the prompts, write down the seed phrase, put it in your safe, don't lose it. Then we're going to come over here to unMineable.com, and as you can see, Solana is right here. It's brand new to the platform, so let's click on Solana, and we're going to say get started with T-Rex Miner. Scroll down, and here is the bat file that you need to basically edit and create a file to be able to mine Solana with the algorithm you choose. So personally, I'm going to come over here to the latest miner app. I'm going to go to T-Rex Miner download, which is right here. This brings you directly to the GitHub to download the latest T-Rex Miner. Link is in the description if you guys never heard of the latest miner app. Come down here, we're going to download the WinZip. Once that downloads, we're going to extract all. Alright, so here we go. Now we have brand new T-Rex Miner, and we need to get basically our Solana address. We need to copy and paste into a bat file that line we just found on unMineable right here, where we basically need to edit it to mine Solana. So I'll show you guys how to do that, and then I will also pre-make a file, put it in the Discord on a Google Doc so you guys can download it and use it without having to do anything yourself. I can just literally prepare the file and have it ready to go. Alright, so what we're going to do is basically copy this right here. I'm going to pull back up the T-Rex file, and I'm going to choose one of these files that I'm just never going to use. So I'm going to go to this one right here that says ETH Mining Rig Rentals. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go to Edit. More info, run anyway, because your Windows thinks it's a virus, so make sure you just run the program. I'm going to take this entire thing, and I'm going to paste exactly what we just copied from the unMineable site. So right here, we got to type in SOL for the coin. So we delete the word coin and type in SOL, all capitals. And right where it says your address, you're going to copy and paste your wallet address in there. So you can name the worker if you would like. I'm going to name it Misfit Miner. And then basically that's it. But what I'm going to do at the end of Misfit Miner is I'm going to put in my referral code. So this file helps the channel. If you guys choose to use it from Misfit Mining Discord, feel free. If you want, you could totally download this file and remove the referral code. Not going to hurt my feelings at all. Or you guys could just make it yourself. That's totally fine too. That's my referral code. Then what we're going to do is come over here, hit File, Save As, and save. Yes, we want to replace it. All right, so this is the bat file that we just saved over. So I'm personally going to change the name so I know that it's Solana. So I'll do sol-unmineable. And that's that. So realistically, we should be able to open this up right now and it should start mining Solana on T-Rex miner with the ETH hash algorithm. So what you'll do is MSI Afterburner. This is my RTX 3070. This is the Founders Edition. And then I have a 3080 Ti hybrid in here. This is an LHR card, but I'm also going to mine with it. So let's open Solana. All right, it looks like we got a share. So apparently it's mining. I like to go back to unMineable.com and double check to make sure that this rig is online. Might take a little bit, so let's get over there. We'll just confirm and then we'll come back and see how the miner's doing. So at this moment, nothing is registering because obviously it takes some time at the pools to get to unMineable and show you that you have a worker online. While we're waiting for that, I want to show you guys this nifty little site that Mr. Teaspoon Miner told us about on Misfit Mining Saturday Night Live. It is called unmineablesbest.com. So basically, you put in the hash rate you have in this line. So this computer with these two cards doing about 130, we'll just say, and we'll calculate. So it will tell you what the most profitable coin to mine on unMineable is, which is pretty neat. So obviously REP is number 1 and Bitcoin Gold is number 2, gas, and you know, so on and so forth all the way down. I know Solana is pretty far down. Where is it? Right here, 44. So unfortunately it's 44, but whatever. But it breaks it down for you. Your payment threshold is 0.15 Solana. It's going to take me 3 days, 7 hours and 55 minutes roughly to get to that $25.05 mark. And then basically it gives you the coins per hour, coins per day, coins per month, and coins per year. I really hope nobody stays on this for an entire year, but if you do, there it is. And obviously this all fluctuates. So if the price goes up, Solana might jump up a few slots on this chart. I mean, it's really, you know, depends on the market. That's kind of how everything is in crypto anyways, and you guys should expect up and downs. So now let's get back over to unMineable and see if we're registering yet. Look at that. Didn't take that long actually. So right now we're only doing 109 mega hash and it is registering. The reason we're only doing 109 is because I'm recording at the moment while we are mining. So I just wanted to prove to you guys that this works and show you that Solana is now available on unMineable.com. It's probably been here for a few weeks. I just haven't had a chance to make a video, and I know Solana is a hot topic right now. I personally don't know too much about it, but I would like to at least hold one coin or maybe a few. So you know what? I'll leave this mining for a little bit on here just to see how it is. I mean, why not? I like to have a little diversity in my life, so let's give it a shot. Real quick, I just decided to jump over to CoinGecko. I wanted to see the price of Solana right now. It's at 166.49 USD. So, I mean, it's doing pretty well. I know it was, what, around $3 beginning of the year or something, I think I heard. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Right around $3 beginning of the year, and this thing all-time high peaked up to $213 in under a year. That was like 8 months. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. 8 to 9 months, this thing hit an all-time high at $213. So, you know what? Looking at this chart, I would assume that there is some promise behind Solana because usually things don't go that drastically unless there is some sort of backing behind the project, but not financial advice, just my thoughts. But as always, guys, I appreciate you all for watching. Hopefully you guys learned something today. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Also, we do have our free Discord group called Misfit Mining. Links in the description. You guys are more than welcome to join, and we will be more than happy to have you. Again, this file will be imported into Misfit Mining for you guys to download. Please don't forget to change the wallet address because I don't want you guys mining to my wallet. I mean, you totally can if you want to, but definitely don't recommend it. Please change the wallet address, and if you don't want the referral code, no hard feelings. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys real soon.